it really helped us with consistency. Like those panels, when we were pushing them out, they were very consistent. We didn't have any problems. We weren't, with our jigs, they were sitting there. We didn't have any overheating. We weren't blowing through, which is a big problem with aluminum. Having a machine that lets you be able to shift gears and change focus is not only a time saver, but it opens up a lot more opportunity. It gives you a lot of control. It gives you a lot of flexibility. And as a business who's shifted their complete market from IT to fabrication, like flexibility will keep your lights on or not. Like that's a reality.